How to search in history on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to search in history on Samsung Internet Browser. First, and open the browser, and now just click the storylines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, click here this one, history, and now just click this icon here in the top corner, and here you can search. And as you see, that's how to search in history on Samsung Internet Browser. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.